Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to add taskbar separators to your icons down here in the Windows taskbar. So if you like to have a bunch of apps pinned, but you want to kind of keep them separated into like categories, you could use this trick to do so. All right, so to accomplish this, we're going to be using the free Windhawk tool. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's an app you install, and then after you install Windhawk, you add what are known as mods to Windhawk, and then these mods change the way Windows looks and operates. All right, so there are all kinds of mods you could use for Windhawk. So we've done videos on some of the best ones. So I'll put a link to our Windhawk playlist in the description if you want to check that out. All right, so once you install Windhawk, you'll have your home section with any mods you've installed, any featured mods they recommend. Then you have the Explore section here where you could search for other mods, you could filter and sort. So there are lots of mods to choose from, as you can see. All right, so the one we're going to be using is called Taskbar Icon Separators. So once you find the mod by searching for it in the search box under Explore, click on Details, and it kind of shows you what it does here. And then just click on Install. And you're always going to get this Proceed with Care pop-up no matter what mod you install with Windhawk. So that's normal. So we'll click on Install here. All right, so now it's installed within Windhawk. So if we go back home, you can see we have it here with our mods. And then we could disable it temporarily here if we don't want to use it. We could also remove it. And then if we go to Details, we could disable and remove it from here as well. So this one only has one setting for the separator width, which is the distance between the line here. All right, so the way this one works, we just right click somewhere, for example, click on Add Separator, and then we could drag the separator wherever we want. So let's say we want to organize our Office apps there. Let's make a new one. And then we can move Outlook over here, for example. And let's say we want to add some separators for our tools here, like Notepad and Calculator and settings, like so. All right, then if we go to the settings here, so the default separator width is 20. Let's bump it up to, let's say, something a little more drastic, like 200 here. And you can see we have a lot of distance in between the groups here, which kind of makes them stand out a little more. But of course, you're going to lose some taskbar space if you go too far here. And then you could still move these around once you have them in place. And if you want to remove one, just right click on it, remove separator, like so. All right, so one thing you'll notice here, so if we disable it, or let's say let's remove it actually, you notice the separators are still there, but that's not a problem. You can still right click on them and pick unpin from taskbar. It gives it this weird name here because the mod's not installed anymore, but we could do this and still get rid of them if you forget to do it before uninstalling the mod. All right, just like that. And then if you want it back, since we removed it, we'll have to go back to Explore and search for it again and reinstall it. And then we could have it back. So for mods like that, you might want to just try disabling it if it's something you want to just turn off and then maybe use later on rather than removing it. All right, so on a side note for Windhawk, in order for your mods to stay working, probably not for this one, but for most mods, if they stop working, just come here to your system tray, make sure Windhawk is running down here. And if it's not, just simply open the Windhawk app again, then it should put it back here in the system tray, and then your mod should start working again. But like I said, for the separator one, even if Windhawk is not working, I think they're still going to be there anyways. And then Windhawk should also be set to start with your computer by default, so you don't have to run it every time you log in. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could do a search for Windhawk and then just search for taskbar icon separators. And that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.